Dear learners of Standard 9, how are you all? Hopefully you all are fine, safe and sound by the blessings of Almighty Allah. Previously, I had discussed with you about the local time and standard time and also the Greenwich Mean Time. So, I think that you have understood the timing of the world, that means regional timing and the standard timing. Today, I will discuss about two types of mathematics in front of you, that is one, how to calculate the longitude of an area and how can we calculate the timing, local time of an area. So today our class will be based on mathematics, that means calculation on timing. First of all, look at these images. Here you are observing the earth axis. Mainly I will focus this earth axis, that is the earth is rotating, you know, every day the earth orbits on its own axis from west to east regularly. So consequently the sun rises earlier in the regions located at the eastern part of the earth. In course of time of earth rotation, when the sun remains overhead or at the highest site, that is midday occurs of that region, and it is midday means what? 12 o'clock by watch over there. That means depends on the watch of that area. The other timing of the day are determined from such meridian, while it is termed as the local time of that region. So the local time can be decided by seeing the position of the sun and also using the sextant apparatus, you know. So the measure of an angle, follow, the measure of an angle at the earth center is 360 degree. That means if this line, vertical line, just take the position on the equator, and here follow the right angle, the right angle here taken place. So this right angle from here, the right angle, the measurement part, it is the 90 degree. So this the center, the measure of the angle of the earth center is 360 degree, and the earth orbits as 360 degree angular distance once in the timing, that is 24 hours. That means earth rotates on its own axis in 24 hours. So if we calculate this 24 hours, or if we convert the 24 hours into minutes, what we will get? 24 multiplied by 60. As we know, 1 minute, that means 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So we will get 1440 minutes. So let's go to calculation. The measure of the angle at the earth center is 360 degrees. So the earth orbits as 360 degree angular distance 1 in 24 hours. So if we convert this 24 hours into minutes, we will get the 1440 minutes. So the earth orbits 1 degree. This degree is the distance of the earth, because you know one thing, you have to remember that an angle of earth 360 degree originated at the center of the earth circular is divided into 3 parts, that is degree, minute and second. So degree, just like the symbol degree which you use in the geometry part of your mathematics, then here minute, that is the single bar, and the second is the double bar. So by using this single bar and double bar represents the minutes and seconds. So according to distance, the earth circular path divided into 3 types, that is degree, minute and second, and angular distance of each pole from the equator is 90 degree. So here degree is the distance. So the earth orbits 1 degree, that means if earth wants to move 1 degree in that is we use this minutes, 1440 minutes divided by 360, we will get 4 minutes, it is the timing. So if the earth wants to move 1 degree, the time is needed 4 minutes. That is, time differs by 4 minutes due to the difference of every 1 degree meridian. And another information, that is time differs by 4 seconds due to the difference of every 1 minute meridian. that is to move 1 degree time is needed 4 minutes and to move 1 minute time is needed 4 seconds. So, single bar and double bar if you can use in the mathematics degree, minute and second as a distance of the earth orbit. Next one, just first the mathematics which I will tell you, that is the difference of time between Dhaka and Seoul. So, first the position, follow the position of the Seoul, that is Seoul is the capital and the largest city of South Korea, and which is, that is Seoul is situated to the eastern part of the Dhaka city or the Bangladesh. Its position is eastern part, and you know from the prime meridian of a country, if we want to move to the right handed part, that is eastern part, the time will be plus, and always if we want to move from that city's meridian, that is from the western towards the western part, the time will be minus, the time will be deducted. So, eastern part the time will be added and the western part time will be deducted. So, South Korea is situated to the east of Dhaka city. So, South Korea is the 12th developed country in the world and has highest income in Asia and 10th highest income in the world. And South Korea's terrain is mostly mountainous with only 30% lowland out of the total land area. So, let us go to the mathematics. The difference of time between Dhaka and Seoul is 2 hours and 32 minutes. Here we have to, that is 2 hours and 32 minutes, the time difference between Dhaka and Seoul. So, hours must be converted to minutes. These two types of fraction will not be counted in our mathematics. So, what is the meridian of Seoul while it is situated at the 90 degree east to the meridian of Dhaka? So, Seoul is the situated to the east of Dhaka, we know. What from this mathematics here given, we know that the meridian of Dhaka is 90 degree east and the time difference of Dhaka and Seoul is 2 hours and 32 minutes. So, we will convert these hours into minutes. So, 2 into 60 minutes and at this 32 minutes you will get 152 minutes. Now, how will you calculate this? We know to move 1 degree time is needed 4 minutes. So, here according to the unitary method, you know the asking or wanting part must be at the right side of your mathematics. So, the meridian differs by 1 degree at a difference of 4 minutes. So, time is needed 4 minutes if the meridian differs 1 degree. So, the meridian differs at a difference of 1 minute by 1 divided by 4 degree. So, the meridian differs at a difference of 52 minutes by, if we do the calculation, you will get 38 degree. Previously, when we converted the 2 hours and 32 minutes, we got already 152 minutes. So, the meridian of Seoul stands what? Seoul right handed part of Dhaka. So, the timing must be, the longitude must be plus. So, 90 degree plus 38 degree, that is 128 degree. So, we can say easily what? The meridian of Seoul stays at 128 degree east of the Dhaka city. So, by this way we can calculate the meridian of any regions. Now, the second one mathematics is the meridians of Dhaka and Chennai given, and here local time will be the asking part. So, what is the position of the Chennai? Chennai is situated in what? In India. So, here following this map, here is the position of our Bangladesh and the western part, here is the India, you know. So, the position of Chennai is the southwestern part of Bangladesh. So, the time will be deducted. For this reason, I just wanted to show you this map. So, now follow the mathematics, that is the meridian of Dhaka and Chennai are respectively 90 degree east and 18 degree and 15 minutes east. What is the local time in Chennai when it is midday occurs in sky of Dhaka? Here it will be the midday. So, occurs in sky of Dhaka, and you know what will be the midday, that is when it will be 12 o'clock by watch of that city. So given what the meridian of Dhaka, here given the meridian of Dhaka 90 degree, meridian of Chennai 80 degree, 80 degree and 15 minutes, here the converted part 80 degree and 15 minutes. So the difference of meridian, we have to first calculate the difference of meridian. So 90 degree minus 80 degree 15 minutes. Here when you have learned the prime meridian, you have learned one thing, that is what? An angle originated with the diameter of the earth possesses 360 degree, and the prime meridian divided these 360 degree equally into two divisions after every 1 degree, that is 180 degree in the east part and 180 degree in the western part. So these eastern part and western part, this type of meridian, like the latitude, this meridian is divided into minute and second. So each minute meridian is equal to what? 60, that is 60 divided by 1 of a degree, where the equator and the prime meridian intersect is the lengthwise. So both the latitude and longitude fall in 0 degree. So when we will calculate, everything will be considered in respect of the 60 here, not 100. So here 60, 90 degree minus 80 degree, so and 15 minutes. So minutes must be considered using the 60 and seconds also considered using 60. So if we divide it, we will get 9 degree 45 minutes. So difference of meridian we got. Now we can do the calculation easily. We know to move 1 degree time is needed 4 minutes. So to move 9 degree time is needed 36 minutes. Previously follow here, we got here 9 degree 45 minutes. So now we will do the calculation. First the 9 degree and next we will do the calculation 45 minutes. So 9 degree, to move 9 degree, the time is needed 36 minutes we got. So again to move 1 minute, time is needed 4 seconds. To move 45 minutes, time is needed 180 seconds. So if we convert this 180 seconds, we will get 3 minutes. Now we will add this 36 minutes and 3 minutes. As our question here asking part is the timing, local time of Chennai. So the time difference due to 9 degree 45 minutes meridian, 36 plus 3 minutes, that is 39 minutes. So when the midday is in Dhaka, that is 12 o'clock at noon, the local time in Chennai will be 12 minus 36 minutes, as the Chennai is situated at the western part of our country, that is Dhaka. So time must be deducted from there. So 60, if we divided, that means subtract 39 from 60 minutes, we will get 21 minutes. So here timing will be 11 hours and 21 minutes AM, exactly, because it is before the timing of 12 o'clock at noon. So the answer will be what? The local time of Chennai is 11 hours and 21 minutes AM. So if we practice some mathematics, you can understand the mathematics clearly. For you, the HW will be creative questions. You will go to your book, the creative questions part, and here 1, 2 and 4 the mathematics, C number only the math depends on this stem. You can calculate here given, and meridian of longitude, here Venu axis, that means latitudes, meridians of longitudes given, date and timing. So you will use the meridian of longitude. So if you divide or difference, if you can calculate the difference of the two meridians of longitude, you can do the mathematics easily. So dear learners, today up to this, hope you have understood the mathematics. So thank you all. Stay safe and stay blessed at your home.